Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. If this is your first time here, welcome. Today I want to talk about one of my favorite brands, that is Drunk Elephant, and one of their very famous product, and that is the A-Passioni Retinol Cream. So if you are the first time here, and consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like my video today, give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, let's get started. Drunk Elephant as a brand has got a huge following, huge cult following. And this particular product, the A-Passioni Retinol Cream, also has a real cult. This is one of the real cult products. Yeah, has a real cult following. My relationship with this product is, as far as my face is concerned, is I will not be using this on my face anymore. And that's why the title of my video today, what do I use the Drunk Elephant A-Passioni Retinol Cream for? I'll just show you what the color of this cream. I'm going to be very careful. So I'm just squeeze a little bit. So this is the color of the cream. It's yellow color, and even this amount, this tiny little amount, is pretty powerful. So as you can see, I've got one dot of the retinol Drunk Elephant A-Passioni Retinol Cream, and I've got this big lump of moisturizer. So this is what I've been doing. And I just mix it up into a nice little cream. What I use it for? After it doesn't go with my face, I just put it onto my elbows. You know, as we get older, the skin on our elbows, on our joints, our knees, our heels get really dry, can get really cracky, and also the back of your hands. So I just rub it into the back of my hands. So this is what I use this Drunk Elephant A-Passioni Retinol Cream for. And it has done my elbows and the back of my hand really good. Can you see the back of my hands? Can you see my elbows? It's not, wrinkly and dry. Yeah, my elbows, back of my hand, my knees. So that's what I've been using it for. And I just squeeze a little bit onto the palm of my hand and moisturize it and mix it up. The problem was, even though I've been warned and I follow the reviews very, very carefully, and I just use the tiniest amount and put lots of moisturizer and put it on my face. But after 3 tries in separate weeks, the first time I use it, my skin just, when I first put it on, there was no reaction and I go to bed. But the next morning when I wake up, I've got little bumps, tiny little bumps. And my face was red. Yeah, pinkish and red, tiny little bumps. All over the side, my hairline here. Tiny little bumps, and my face was pink and red. And the next time I use it, which is the next week after, my skin just peeled terribly. And not only that, I think I damaged my moisture barrier. You would know when you have damaged your moisture barrier because your skin will be very red and almost feel very hot. And even when you apply cream on, it seems to burn. Any kind of lotion, moisture, or serum you put on top of your skin, it burns. It's got that burning sensation, and it's just very red. Yeah, extremely red. And I have to use La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Boom on top to protect it, and any aloe vera sun gel. And yeah, so unfortunately, it just, my face, unfortunately, my face just doesn't get along with this A-Passioni Retinol Cream, which means that this retinol is very powerful, which means there's some real genuine stuff in here, real powerful, genuine retinol in this product. But it doesn't suit my face. So that's what I've been using this cream for. And I don't need a lot. I just need a little dot. Mix it with moisturizer. And I've been rubbing it onto the back of my hands. Can you see? It's done a lot of good for my hands, done a lot of good for my elbows. So that's what I've been using it for. So yeah, so if you have products that just doesn't sit right with your face and it's causing a lot of irritation, inflammation, and agitation on your skin, and you just find that you can't put up with it anymore, and that's all right. It's okay. We don't have to go so far as to damage our moisture barrier. You can use it for the rest of your body. I always believe that whatever is good for the face is good for the rest of my body. And the skin in our hands and our legs actually thicker than the skin on our face. And that's why our face always get the first reaction if a product is very strong. So that's why I've been using the Drunk Elephant A-Passioni Retinol Cream. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like my video today, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. The subscribe button is just down here. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.